420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and then another unboxing. You see over here to the left, we got some Spider Farmer stuff. This is also some Spider Farmer stuff. So this grow kit, link will be in the description and all of the grow videos going forward with this, but this is a grow kit. You can use it in your 2x2 tent. That's what I'm going to be using it in. But from them as well. So let's get into opening this box and seeing what we have in here. So we got some foam on the end. Oh, it looks like maybe that's got to come out. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, geez, this cardboard is quite thick. So each cardboard is kind of, oh, there we go. So it's packed in there fairly decent. Comes with a book with all their lights, right? This is the SF1000. I should say it here somewhere, I'm assuming. Let's flip it over. See what we got here. Oh, look at the old mini little driver. All right. So let's flip it over and see what we got here. So, Spider Farmer SF1000. It's got an on-off switch. Got the old school phone cable for daisy chaining them. It's got those metal clips, which I don't ever use. A lot of people use those. I have a pile of them somewhere. And then we've got a couple plastic geared ratchet hangers. So, the SF1000 is going to be going into my 2x2. I don't know, I think you could probably use it in a 3x3, but I'm using it in a 2x2, and we'll see. So what do we got here? We got, oh, geez, it's 7 feet of cable, 6.5 feet maybe, I'd say, right into the Meanwell driver. Is that a Meanwell? It looks like a Meanwell. Yeah, it is Meanwell. Meanwell driver. XLG 100HB, so you can do the control here with the external piece, which is great. It's already piped in, also sort of piped in there. That's nice. And what are we saying? 100, 277? Yeah, sure. And yeah, this light is going to be, let's just plug it in real quick, see what she looks like. Probably cut this out of the video. All right, so we got the light on. Got your roll of reds over here. I don't know if you can tell in the color, but this is kind of like the yellowish, and this is kind of like the white. The two different spectrums of light in here. So this is a start to finish unit. So you can go flower all the way, veg all the way straight through the flower. Well, I guess that's it for the unboxing. Not much in there. All right, so the SF1000 and this 4-inch grow kit. I'm going to install this in my 2x2. So I'm going to put this on pause, get this all rigged up and hooked up. The magic of 420 Things here. We'll get it in there and get it in the tent, and like you guys can do the same thing. It's a pretty decent little setup. All everything going. Oh, there was cloth bags with this too, eh? Yeah, I gotta find those. All right, ladies and gentlemen, bye for now.